chicken puttanesca with olives, capers, and anchovies, creamy polenta. How good does that look? Searing some chicken thighs, and we are adding an array of pantry staples, capers and anchovies, olives, and maybe some Calabrian chilies for fun. I mean, look at that skin. Keep all of that fat. We're gonna saute the anchovies in that. A few anchovy fillets. Anchovies are nice and melted. We're gonna add some garlic. And just for a little kick, some Calabrian chilies. I am obsessed with these. We'll do maybe half a tablespoon. All of those crispy bits, that is all flavor. We're gonna deglaze with some red wine. This is where I get my hard wooden spoon to scrape all of those bits up. Added some marinara sauce, and now we're gonna add the chicken back in. It's undercooked, and that's okay because we're gonna finish cooking it in the pot. And some capers. I'm a little heavy-handed on it, so I like a good amount of capers. Some olives. I have a mixture of Castelvolturno and Kalamata pitted olives, and just scatter them around the chicken. 10 minutes is all it took. Look how delicious this looks. The sauce reduced, chicken is perfectly cooked.